Dear Kenyans and the entire residents of Wajeer East, my name is Honorable Engineer Tofiq Samow, a resident of Wajeer East and by extent a bona fide resident of Wajeer County. We are drawing closer to a very critical moment in the history of our country, the long-awaited 2022 general election, and a time to which we will elect not only our deserved leaders, but progressive leaders who sincerely understand the need of our Wajeer East community at large. A leader who will give the community a listening ear, a leader who will be present for all without discrimination, a committed leader towards bringing the desired change in our community. This leader is none other than this man right here in front of you, Honorable Engineer Tofiq Samow. We thank Allah for the leaders we have had for the past decade. As an aspiring leader, I have a desire to change the decayed political society of Wajeer East. As we understand the common Swahili saying, madili ya jamii ni maendeleo yetu. My campaign manifestos for Wajeer East constituents will be economic and youth empowerment, improvement of new and existing infrastructure, improving health standard, small-scale agriculture and extraction service support will be my area of priorities. Majority of the people we elect as a member of National Assembly in Wajeer East in the past decade left no track record of development, thus failing us drastically in executing their core mandates of enhancing development at the grassroots as enshrined in our Constitution. As an engineer, I will apply my strategic and technical expertise and the people's input to develop a constituency, which has great unexploited potential. I am therefore committed as the next member of National Assembly Wajeer East. I will use my position to lobby for more resources from various quarters, coordinate economic, social, and cultural projects for the benefits of Wajeer East residents. My vision and mission for Wajeer East will be based in creating more and better jobs, investing in better service as we collectively develop a long-term economic plan that will offer our people the stability and the certainty that they need to grow and be independent. My manifestos will be anchored on three interconnected, interrelated, but independent pillars, namely economic, social, and cultural pillars. Under the economic pillars, I promise to offer Wajeer East residents a solid economic foundation on which they will change their lives through promoting trade, identifying and creating employment opportunities, and the development of an appropriate infrastructure that will enhance business growth. I will facilitate the formation of various associations that will be pivotal to the creation of jobs and search for new market opportunities for our goods and services for the social pillar. I promise to work out on improving the social infrastructure that already exists, such as Sokomujinga, Korehe Market, and all other existing trading centers.